On this video, we are going to review how does the stabilizer shaft and arm is designed. Okay, so we open the stabilizer shaft. So this is the stabilizer shaft. Alright, so there are only 4 features that has been done. So we go first on the first. So it's very simple only. You get the sketch. So the diameter, you draw a circle for the diameter. So it's not specified. We can put a smart dimension. So it is 20 mm. Okay. So it's 20 mm. After that, close. And then it is extruded bows on a length of 65 mm. So extrude bows by 65 mm. Okay. Then check. And then we cut the spline. So we cut one spline. So what is the profile of the spline? Edit sketch. So normal 2. So the profile of this line is, first thing we drew is the construction line, and then draw one side which is 1.5. Okay, so this is 3 mm, the total length of the line, and then we got this line. So on the tip of the spline is, we got the distance of 1.2 mm. So there are 2, we can delete 1. All right, so 1.2 mm, and then the height is 2 mm. All right, so the distance of this line to the point of origin is 8 mm. Okay, once the profile of the spline is sketched, now we draw the 3D sketch. So this is the path of our sweep cut. So what is being used? It is used. All right, we go on right side. So this is the profile. So this is sketched on a 3D. So after sketching, there's the profile. We close first. Okay, we close like the profile. Once you sketch this profile, you close, and then you're going to draw a 3D sketch. To draw the 3D sketch, you have to go to sketch and then expand sketch and click 3D sketch. Right, once you are in 3D sketch, so it's become like this. So this is a 3D sketch, one line going there and then an arc. So the length of the straight line, we can put a smart dimension to see the dimension. It is 31.5. So we can just put simply 31.5, enter. Okay, and then make an arc, and then you close the sketch. When you close the sketch, you can now sweep cut. So on sweep cut, okay, you're going to select the sketch 2 as the sketch profile, and then the 3D sketch for the path. So the path is the 3D sketch, and the profile is the shape of the cut. Once done, so it is cut like this. Right, so after that we do circular pattern. So in circular pattern, okay, how many instances? We put 14. All right, you're going to select the edge of the shaft for your direction. Okay, select the edge, and then you put 14 instances. It depends, because you can see here, this is your cut and this is the remaining one. So if you notice that this length is the same as this width and this width, then you stop your instances. You can increase, you see, you can make it 15, you can make it 14, so up to you. Okay, so we put it 14, check, then done. After that we mirror. So how to mirror? All right, so you go features, you have here expand, and then you have here mirror. So in the mirror, okay, we are going to select the face. So the face of the shaft, which is this one. Okay, we can clear this one. Clear. You see, you click this page, and then you're going to click your cut. So make sure that this cut is been for this bodies. So you're going to mirror the bodies. All right, so meaning selecting this entire shape and then check. So this is now the finished product of the stabilizer shape.